Rushr-Ultimate Chat GPT Traffic System. The future of Chat GPT is one of the most innovative and exciting technologies to emerge in recent years. It is a language model that can generate human-like responses to text prompts, making it an ideal tool for chatbots, virtual assistants, and other applications. However, using Chat GPT effectively can be challenging, especially for beginners. That's where Rushr-Ultimate Chat GPT Traffic System comes in. Rushr-Ultimate Chat GPT Traffic System is a comprehensive guide to using Chat GPT effectively. It provides step-by-step instructions on how to use Chat GPT for a variety of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer support. The guide is designed for beginners and experts alike, and it covers everything from the basics of Chat GPT to advanced techniques for building your own Chat GPT site. Here are some of the key features of Rushr-Ultimate Chat GPT Traffic System. Comprehensive Guide. The guide is designed to be a one-stop shop for all your Chat GPT needs. It covers everything from the basics of Chat GPT to advanced techniques for building your own Chat GPT site. Easy to follow. The guide is written in a clear and concise manner, making it easy to follow even for beginners. 3. Step-by-step instructions. The guide provides step-by-step instructions for using Chat GPT for a variety of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer support. Video tutorials. The guide includes video tutorials that demonstrate how to use Chat GPT effectively. 5. Bonus materials. The guide includes bonus materials, including templates, scripts, and other resources that can help you get the most out of Chat GPT. In conclusion, Rushr-Ultimate Chat GPT Traffic System is the future of Chat GPT. It provides a comprehensive guide to using Chat GPT effectively, making it an ideal tool for beginners and experts alike. Whether you are building a chatbot, virtual assistant, or customer support system, Rushr-Ultimate Chat GPT Traffic System can help you get the most out of Chat GPT. See link in description for registration.